Okay guys, so today is Sunday. So last 2 years ago they involved this truck. Okay guys, so today is Sunday. So last 2 years ago they involved this truck. The basic Tacoma. I got idea. Me and my brother getting touching using this heavy duty robusti trabajo pesado. I got idea. Me and my brother we're gonna push it by it's a heavy duty, medium duty robusti trabajo. We're gonna push that one pesado. So what we does right there, we're gonna push it by it's a heavy duty, medium quick support rod. We're gonna push that one over there. Open it up. We're gonna put it right there. And we're gonna put it this one here. I mean so much. Hold it. Open it up. And you're gonna go to that one. I mean so much. Yeah, right there. I'm gonna try to make it as much as I can. I'm gonna get to that one. Right there. I'm gonna try to make it as much as I can over here. Let's see if it's gonna push it. Look like it's gonna push it. Go ahead. So what are we trying to do is pushing this 1/4 panel to the right. Making sure. What we're trying to do is pushing this 1/4 panel to the right. Making sure. Gonna push so that way this tailgate is gonna touch it. Did it push? What do you think? Let's try to clock it. Ooh, way better, yo. What do you think? Yeah, I think that should be enough. You can let it go. Ooh, way better, yo. I don't know if it's gonna come back. I think that should be enough. You can let it go. I think it's not gonna come back anymore. It's gonna come back. Because you already push it. I think it's not gonna come back anymore. Okay. Because you already push it. Try it. It's a little bit more. You push a little bit, but you need to. Okay, let's try it. Maybe more. We're gonna put it on the top, basically. We're gonna put it a little bit more. You push a little bit, but you need to. Maybe more. We're gonna put it on the top. Do it one more time. We're gonna put it on the top. Maybe here. Do it one more time.